Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1993 Subaru Legacy RS. This casting is by Matchbox from their moving parts line and is new for 2026. And you can see it comes with an opening hood. Looks like a nice paint. I'm not sure about all the details, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is a quick look at the Subaru Legacy RS. Once we have a quick look, we'll deep dive into all the details available on this casting. So here is the Subaru Legacy RS. Now, before I go to front, I want to show you from the side. There's a reason. The top half, anything with the doors, is the plastic or the acrylic material they use for the glass, and the bottom part is the actual casting. Just want to clear that before going to the front. So in the front, you've got some nice details. As you can see, there are painted headlamps, a Subaru badge on the painted grille. Lower grille is also painted, and you also got the black bumper, very reminiscent of that time where you had like black bumpers. Both the mirrors are there. There's a small vent in the hood. I think it's for, I'm not sure if it's turbo shower, it might be for that. No windshield wipers though, so yeah, I don't know why they're missing it. I don't think the car came without windshield wipers. Now, moving to the passenger side, you got golden wheels. You got this special paint, I would say, or paint going on with Subaru number 3 Matchbox. So it's a blue and pink paint wheels. I've seen these wheels on so many different, but finishes different here. Looks all right. The black plastic cladding, I would say, comes from front to back. All the B pillar, C pillar, everything is the part of the plastic, as we talked before. Going to the back, again, nice details here. You can see painted tail lamp. You can see Legacy badge there, a small spoiler, twin exhaust at the bottom, some more badges, Subaru and RS, and I think that those are the most of the details you can see at the back. Passenger side looks almost identical, only difference fuel filler, which was not present on driver's side, and this is how it looks from the top. I think it is finished in black, can't really see because of the tinted plastics. And this is how the base looks. There's some detail here, and it does come with the opening hood. So let me try and see if I can open it up. So Matchbox had recently done some good job when it comes to the engine bay, and this is no different. You can see there are a lot of details there, and so painted details, which makes it look so good. So it actually is unlike older times. I won't say older, like a few years ago, they just had a black or chrome engine bay, but now they put some details here, which I think elevates the whole appeal of the casting. Only one thing I don't like is the plastic finish they do for the top on some of the castings. It gets scratched up really easy. I would have loved if it was metal. Yeah, I think that's the only grime with this casting. Apart from that, it looks like a really nice casting, and I think you will love to have this in your collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.